Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It was very hard cleaning my table with my hand. So I made this vacuum cleaner. Now I will show you a demonstration of it and an explanation to how it works. Now I'll explain you how this vacuum cleaner works. There's a motor and a fan that sucks the trash through the opening, and the filter only allows the air to go through but not the trash. Now the materials I have used is a plastic container, a plastic bottle, a fan, a motor, a piece of cardboard, a battery connector, a switch and a battery. I hope you all found my vacuum cleaner interesting. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.